The first actual hands-on footage of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has emerged, and it reveals one of Samsung's most significant changes to this foldable. Samsung has made significant improvements to the display crease. Even when the phone is held at precise angles under bright light and directly hits the screen, you can barely see it. Samsung was about to make the crease almost disappear. And man, it appears that the rumors were accurate. And this is not some brand new unit that has never been folded before. He even folds and unfolds the phone just in front of the camera. So evidently, this gadget was utilized, which makes the results even more remarkable. According to Ice Universe, the wider Z Fold 8 will offer similarly outstanding wrinkle control. So, how did Samsung suddenly accomplish this practically crease-free appearance? According to Ice Universe, the new hinge design limits the angles at which the phone can remain partially folded. Now, returning to the video, he does not display the phone's rear, but it is likely to look nearly identical to the Z Fold 7. We can see the front, and there are no dramatic changes here. What's odd is that official pictures of the Z Fold 8 Ultra revealed a smaller inner display camera cutout, which I don't notice in this video. Perhaps it's the camera angle or the video quality. Perhaps the difference is only noticeable when you compare both phones side by side. In any case, I'm relieved that the crease is no longer an issue. Moving on, a recent report claims that the Z Fold 8 Ultra will inherit some major camera capabilities from the S26 Ultra, including a native 24-megapixel photo mode that will not require manual activation, as it does on the S26 Ultra. It will also provide dramatically improved image detail, low-light performance, dual-camera recording mode, and video compatibility for live color grading, to mention a few. The only significant difference between the S26 Ultra and the Fold 8 Ultra camera setups is the lack of a 5x telephoto camera. So, technically, the Fold 8 Ultra should be able to accomplish almost everything that the S26 Ultra can. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.